Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate how to efficiently split a whole product into two parts through precise processes. As you can see from the picture, the current product is still an integral structure, with the top on this side and the bottom on the other side. We use the preset heating wire in the middle to cut and achieve precise separation. After the cutting is completed, the mold forms two independent products. After the two parts are closed, they can be easily stacked, which is convenient for subsequent transportation and storage, greatly improving efficiency. This design not only optimizes the product structure, but also reflects our continuous innovation and pursuit in practicality and processing technology. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.